Hey guys, it's Daniel from Walker. We want to take a look at the Walker B23 non-collection mower. We're going to be covering a lot of information today, so we've included an index of timestamps in the description down below. So the B23 has a Kohler Command Pro CH680 carbureted engine, and it replaces both the Walker B18 and B19 models, bringing more power and a bunch of other upgrades to this entry-level Model B. The B23 is unique from the B27i in two main ways. First, it's priced almost 14% less than the B27i, depending on your configuration. And second, its carbureted engine may appeal to those who prefer maintaining simpler power units. But make no mistake, the B23 has tons of power. With 36.8 foot-pounds of torque, it runs the full collection of Walker side discharge and mulching decks, ranging from 36 all the way up to 74 inches. The first thing you'll notice when looking at the B23 is this new body design. Like the B27i, the B23's chassis incorporates the body, sidewall, and fenders, leading to increased strength and rigidity. It also makes the tilt-open body latch easier to access and open, giving full access to the drivetrain and reducing the number of parts and welds that we need in manufacturing. That makes it easier for you to maintain. One really nice thing about this design is that the forward speed control is mounted directly to the chassis sidewall for a more solid feel and even more precise control over your speed. It also allows you to make single point adjustments at the forward speed control for max speed tracking alignment. Taking a quick look at the controls, you'll see the parking brake, the choke for cold starts, steering levers, hour meter, electric clutch for starting and stopping the mower blades or powered implement, ignition, forward speed control, and throttle. Like all Walker mowers, your forward speed is set with this friction lock forward speed control, and steering adjustments are made with fingertip backwards pressure on these dual steering levers. The mowing deck is attached to the mower on articulating arms and driven with a jointed PTO shaft. This allows the deck to move independently from the tractor, flexing up and down, side to side, resulting in an exceptionally smooth, beautiful cut. The deck has adjustable cutting height in settings of 1/2 inch increments, from 1.5 inches all the way up to 4 inches. The B23 has the same Hydro Gear ZT 3100 transmissions as the B27i, and it has a ground speed of 8 miles an hour. An optional big tire kit is available, which increases the tire size from 18 inches to 20 inches in diameter. It also extends the caster forks on the deck and the tail by 1 inch, increasing your ground speed by 10% and raising your mowing height by 1 inch to a maximum of 5 inches. The fuel tank holds 4.7 gallons of fuel, and the B23 comes equipped with Kohler Pro 300-hour extended life synthetic oil and filters. To learn more about this awesome feature, click on the video linked above or in the description below. In addition to its beautiful cut, the B23 is really quick and nimble. Weighing in at just 848 pounds with a 48-inch mulch deck, it quickly gets into and out of tightly landscaped features, and it glides smoothly over turf. You can also see that it sits really low to the ground, making the Model B our best hillside mower. It comes standard with the Walker comfort seat, but the adjustable Walker suspension seat is also an available upgrade. Other options include wide and low profile turf tires, all-terrain tires, LED headlights, adjustable footrests, a quick deck height adjuster, tow hitch, utility bed replacing the rear body panel, and tail weights, which pair with our heavy-duty attachments and implements. The B23 is now compatible with all of our high production implements like the 48-inch dozer blade, the 42-inch two-stage snowblower, the debris blower, and loader bucket. This is all possible thanks to the new Model B implement hitch. It's also compatible with the operator soft cab, making wet winter maintenance that much more comfortable. Various attachments can also either be mounted directly to the mowing deck or in its place for quick access to snow removal, dethatching, spraying, or spreading without the need for an implement hitch. Like I mentioned earlier, the B23 is compatible with 12 mowing decks, from 36 all the way up to 74 inches in width. Some really noticeable pairings here is the DS48-3, which is an amazing all-arounder for side discharge, mulching, and even occasional collection thanks to the accelerator grass catcher add-on. Also, the DS56, which makes the Model B the ultimate trimming machine with 7 inches of side overhang and 20 inches of front reach. So I know this has been a ton of information, but we're really proud of the B23, and we know you're gonna love it too. While it's our entry-level Model B, it has power, flexibility, and plenty of configurations to handle almost any mowing challenge you face. As always, head over to walker.com or visit your local dealer to learn more or to request a demo of the B23 on your lawn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.